great pleasure, in fact, to welcome and to launch Phil's exhibition. I mean, Phil was our first in fact, he was our first artist in residence at Brunel. And I think the theme or his artistic endeavor was to work with different parts of the university and different types of people within the university.
I can sort of mention a few of the references. Stanley Kubrick shot A Clockwork Orange here on campus in one of the buildings that was being demolished while I was here in 2019. So some of that material is within the sculptures themselves. Importantly, Blumlein invented stereo sound. Obviously, the work kind of relates to the campus with its brutalist buildings, and to the namesake of the university, Brunel himself.
And just as if you stand between the two giant concrete horns, there's a kind of sweet spot where you can sense that your movement, in a sense, is anticipated by the oscillation between the two amplifiers.
How physical one can get with this structure is just very, very beautiful as well, because you can touch it, you can feel it, you can go inside it, you can smell it even, you know, when you get closer to it. It does have a smell associated with it.
But it's, yeah, you actually physically feel the sound waves upon you, which is an extraordinary thing.
We have this sense of body, and we have this sense of soul, whatever that is, and we have music, which is a sound or a vibration, and then we have these massive concrete structures which, you know, regardless of whether the sound is playing or not, they're there.
I think that makes a good lead into us going to listen to it.